Up next, we have Team Vindicate, led by Julius Armendariz. Their project is a program that throttles Wi-Fi in public spaces such as the library, punishing louder people with slower internet. Our pitch is going to be by both Julius Armendariz and Oscar Chang. You have 3 minutes.
Alright, you heard the man. My name is Julius Armendariz. This is my friend Oscar. He really came in clutch at the last minute. I had no group. I had a public group set up for the hackathon. And he really jumped on the topic and he got right away coding. And so, yes, you heard him. This is a program that starts in the library. That's where I conceptualized the idea that it was very too loud in the chapter library. And I wanted to think of a way to punish users that are talking too loud in the library. First, I wanted to use their own laptops. That sounds really devious and like a really big breach of privacy. That's what Kody told me. And so I wanted to program a software in C++ that would throttle people's Wi-Fi when microphone input was detected in the range of the microphone set up in the library, so that the librarian wouldn't have to shush you per se. And the librarians have a better reputation. So our project starts with Oscar had the idea to use Python instead of C++, while I use C++. For my side of the project, I was taking care of Wi-Fi throttling. I had help from Ian, and I translated his batch code in Linux. I had a lot of problems using Linux, and I had to kind of like learn that in the 6 hours that we were using. And Oscar, if you would continue.
Okay, so this is my Python code I'm using. So I was in charge of, the noise meter part of the project. So here, the librarian or the person in charge of the area is able to set the volume level. So it's based on RMS, which is root mean value. So 100 is usually the level of loud people. So then I would confirm it. And then here's the part where you guys have to scream. Now go. Scream. Louder. It's not gonna understand. Okay. So then it's gonna keep going until everyone shuts up. So then it's telling you, thank you for shutting up. So then while during the shut up message, you also see another message saying running Wi-Fi throttler. This is where Julius's code will come in. So
that's pretty good. It actually detected when the microphone was being used and whether or not it had input. Now that would be used as a Boolean value in another program that I helped create. And so, once that would be detected, then it would prompt my program to use.
All right, Team Vindicate, that is 3 minutes. We're now going to open it up to 2 minutes of questions from the judges.
Keep going.
So here you have my program. You see it reads, which interface would you like to throttle? And this is using batch code in C++. Ian told me I could do that. Screens big yellow, that's flux. It says, see it doesn't work. Just in C++, this is just a concept. You see, it says how much would you like to throttle the interface? By 100 milliseconds to 1,000 milliseconds, I'll type 1. It says you picked 1, now it's slowing down the Wi-Fi 100 milliseconds at a time. That would be really noticeable to say if you had up to at least 500 milliseconds. That would really annoy someone. That was kind of the purpose of it to begin with. That would, shut up the really loud people in the library. It's obnoxious. So now it says PC is not recognized. That's in Linux. That's another program.
So who's your target audience for this?
So that would be introverts. That's all of us. And librarians, people in the library, and it is a very anti-extrovert.
How do you, does the user have to opt in? If I get on Wi-Fi, do I actually have to say I will accept? Do we have to have an app to do it? Or is it something that voluntarily will just occur?
Eventually, yes, but it's a breach of privacy to control someone's programs, to drop programs in somebody's computer and start taking their microphone input. and somebody could accuse you of recording them. And then, see, the problem with that would be one, privacy issues, and two, you'd either have to get another program or you could do it in JavaScript, and then you could just turn off JavaScript. But sometimes there's programs that only let you use the internet if you agree to a prompt in JavaScript. Say for the Primavera library, that's how they allow theirs. You have to agree to a license agreement.
Originally, our plan was to use a Raspberry Pi, attach a microphone to it so that it could detect if there was sound, and then we would use the concept of beamforming. We were hoping to get the angle at which the sound is being received, and use the concept of beamforming, which is Wi-Fi directly to your computer instead of broadcasting all over the place. Using that angle measurement to hopefully pinpoint the devices around there and throttle those devices.
All right, thank you, Team Vindicate. Let's get a big round of applause.